Hi, to hard reset your Xiaomi 13, as a first step, we need to turn it off. For that, press and hold power and volume up buttons till you see this menu appears on the screen. And now we need to simply swipe up to power off the phone. So after that, we would need to enter recovery mode. And for that, hold again power and volume up buttons till you see Xiaomi logo appears on the screen, and then you will need to release the power button but continue holding volume up. So I'm holding volume up and now we are waiting. And here is recovery mode. So if you want to factory reset your phone, you will need to select the second option, wipe data, and to go through the menu, use volume up and down buttons like that. To confirm your choice, press power button. So let's press power button to wipe data, and now we need to select to wipe all data. Here we need to confirm that this action cannot be undone, so we'll delete everything on the phone and then we will need to set it up again. If you agree with that, just press the power button to confirm. And now data wiped successfully, so we need to back to main menu and here select reboot option and reboot the system. After that, the screen will turn off and just in a couple of seconds it will turn on again and you'll be able to set it up once more. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.